Today we are going to learn the job sequencing with deadline with example. So what is this? There are 4 jobs are given and the profits are given and deadlines are given. So we can say we need to find out the optimal solution. So optimal solution will be like that they will complete the jobs within deadline and profit will be maximum. That is called the optimal solution. So here we can see simply that the jobs are having deadlines like 1 and 2. So maximum 2 jobs can be possible. More than 2 jobs cannot be possible because we have deadline of 1 and 2. So we will find out the solution. So what will be the we can say the optimal solution. What is the maximum profit here? The maximum profit is 90 and 80. And we can say simply J4 is having one deadline, so we will take first J4 and after that J1, because J4 and J1 are having maximum profit and J4 is having one deadline and J1 is having 2 deadline. So J4 J1, we can say simply optimal solution. Then we can say simply because we did 2 jobs and 2 jobs are left, while how many jobs we have 4 number of jobs. So some penalty will also be there because we are not able to complete all the jobs. So what is left? J2 and J3 left. What is left? J2 and J3 can't be done. So the penalty is profit of this the J2 is 75 and profit of J3 is 50. So what is this? This is 125. So this is called the penalty. Because we are not able to complete these jobs. So whatever profit they are having, this is called the penalty. So we can say simply this is the one optimal solution. In that way many solutions, or we can say many feasible solutions are possible. How they are possible? Let's see. So we can see here simply that with the combination of 2 jobs only many solutions can be possible. So what they can be? They can be J2 J1 because J2 is having one deadline and J1 is having 2 deadlines. So we can say simply J2 J1. So profit will be 155. 80 plus 75, it will be 155. And what next? J1 J2 is not possible because J1 is having 2 deadline and J2 is having 1 deadline, so it is not possible. Next solution will be J4 J3 because J4 is having 1 deadline and J3 is having 2 deadline. So next can be J4 J3. So J4 is having 90, J3 is having 50, so we can say simply 140 is the profit. Next what it can be? It can be J2 J3 because J2 is having 1 deadline and J3 is having 2 deadline. So J2 J3, J2 is 75, J3 is 50, so it can be 125. And what next can be? It can be J1 J3 because both are having 2 deadlines, so we can write J1 J3 and J3 J1, both can be possible. So J1 J3 80 plus 50, and in that case also 80 plus 50, so it is 130. So how many jobs can be possible? We can say 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can say one job. If we are taking only one job, then 4 feasible solution can be possible because we have 4 jobs. So 4 feasible solution can be possible. And if we're talking about 2 jobs, so we can say simply from this combination 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 feasible solution can be possible, and if we talk about 3 jobs, so 0 feasible solution can be possible, because we have only 2 deadlines, so it's not possible to complete 3 jobs. So we can say simply, in that way we can find out the solution of job sequence with the deadline, with the help of profit and deadline. So this is the feasible solution, optimal solution, which we have seen. First one, J4 J1. In that case, what will happen? It start from last. That is the important thing. Or in that way we will work. So later we will see other examples. In the other example, first what we will do, first we make a profit like in a decreasing order with a deadline. After that we will see the solution. So that will be seen in the next lecture.